Today's video will show you the difference after install 5mm spacers.
Choosing the right wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification, and your goals. Choosing wheel spacer size is a key factor. From racing track day to daily commuter comforts, there are many choices of wheel spacer fitment. Depending on the car's year and model, your vehicle has a range of potential stock wheel spacer size, including 3mm, 5mm, 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, and 20mm up to 50mm. From 3mm to 5mm wheel spacers, usually used for clearing big brake calipers, wheel clearance, or slightly altering the offset issue.
5mm wheel spacers fill the wheel wells nicely without looking overdone. They are not wide enough to affect the bearings. 5mm wheel spacers are enough for clearing the rubbing issues. They are subtle and don't hurt anything.
This hollow-out design of BONOSS wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of high-grade aluminum alloy 606T6 and aluminum alloy 705T6, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.